back, guys, on Deutsch Motorsport. We are now on the Audi stand. We have the all new Audi A6. You have already seen in our channel. We're gonna review it in the outside and inside. Have a look at all the new features and the new design tricks we're gonna cover. So let's start with the front. You see the front is pretty different from the old one. We have completely new designed front grille, like the new Audi 7. It's a little bit narrower, wider, and it's more aggressive. We have also those new headlights, all made of LEDs, giving that extra aggressive look. The bumper itself is pretty big, it's pretty massive. We have that nice vents on the side, on the both sides of the bumper. We have also here in this model the 50 TDI, pretty big wheels. I guess they are 20 or 21 inches. Really nice one. Have a look maybe at the price. Here we are in Switzerland, so it's 126,000. The bonnet is also pretty big, pretty long, like always on the A6. Design is pretty nice also. Here we have the S-Line variant. At the back we have also a really nice evolution. We have that new style of backlights, all made of LED like we have seen on the A7. And it has also the nice cinematic when you light it up or when you blink at the right or left. So have a look at the back of the car, the bumper in its S-Line. Maybe a shame Adidas, those fake exhaust tips. It would have been much nicer if you had real exhaust tips. And if you look down there, you see the exhaust tip. Could have been a bit more nicer on that point. So let's have a look now at the inside. So here in the A6 of Audi we find a pretty similar interior as we have seen on the new A7. It's really well made. We have those two huge double screen, one for infotainment, the other one for climate controls. We have also that nice screen here for gauges and navigation, everything. And we have a really nice finish in it. We have those nice wood panels, leather all over, double stitched. We have also a nice Bang & Olufsen audio system, pretty good one. Steering wheel is also nice. We have that new design. So here we have all the controls here, paddle shifts, and can change here the view as you want. Can change all the controls. You have the night vision, but here it's not working. And in the middle we have this huge infotainment screen, all touch screen. And as we have seen in the A7, when you push on the screen, it's like you were pushing in a button. You have that vibrating feeling. It's pretty nice. Let's have a look. Car, Audi Drive Select. You can change efficiency driving mode, comfort, automatic, dynamic, individual, and you can change it all you want. It's just pretty nice. You can change the configuration of your seats. You feel it that it grabs your back a bit more or less. You have the massage function. Oh, feels good. Let's try the rear. Oh. I hope if you do use it while driving, you won't feel asleep, because it feels like a great massage. Climate controls, light and vision, stable lighting. You have a lot of options. Driver assist. Maximum, what do you have in maximum? Night vision, distance warning. We have seen it on the front grille. You have those two sensor on each side. Looks pretty big, but if you want a safe driving, it's pretty good. Side assist, intersection assist, emergency assist, exit warning, rest recommendation. So you have a lot of assistant tweaks. What do we have else here? Let's have a look down here. We have cooled air seats, we have heated air seats here. Here we have the driver select. Design of the seat is also nice. We have that nice kind of cream leather. Feels nice. It's pretty comfortable. It's soft. And as you have seen, you have that massage function. It's really comfortable, and you can almost sleep in it. At the back, you can see we have a lot of space. It's a family car. At sedan, you have plenty of space. We have also those nice climate controls for the back with heated seats. You can control everything, temperature, everything on both sides. It's a quad zone climate controls. So thank you guys, that was it for the new A6. Keep watching, keep following, and keep sharing. We will do a lot of new things for you.